Hello, hello. Hello, good evening. Good evening, mommy. Good evening. Hello.
Hello,
Good evening. Okay.
good evening. Good afternoon.
Hello, Antu. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Nice to see you again. Wow. Hello, Antu. Good evening and welcome again to our class today. It's nice to see you again. How are you today? Are you happy today like this one?
Yeah.
Are you happy today?
Yes.
Yes. Wow, that's good to know. And are you ready for our today's lesson? Are you ready? Yes?
Mm, yes.
Yes. Okay, so now let us start
Yeah.
our lesson for today. But first, let me introduce myself again. So my name is Teacher Iris. So you are Anne too. So nice to see you
Mỗi
again.
lần em mà sinh nhật ba liền đưa con phone.
Okay, so now let us proceed with our lesson for today. So for our lesson for today is jungle
Đóng cửa
friends.
về.
Very good. So our lesson for today and two is all about jungle friends. So these are
Về.
yes, very good. So these are the animals that lives in the jungle. So let us find out what animals are or what animals lives in the jungle. So now let's move on to our next page. Okay. So now let's look at the picture. Do you know what is this or what do we call this place?
Display.
Yes, this place is, let's say this place is a jungle.
Display ở trong cầu.
Wow, very good. Good job. Teacher will give you your first star. Good job. Now let's see it again. Jungle,
Trắng cầu.
jungle, jungle, jungle.
Trắng cầu. Trắng cầu.
Yes, wow, very good. Next, let us go with our first animal. Okay, let's look. What animal is this?
And the
Let's say this is a bat.
bat.
Very good. One more time. What animal is this, Antu?
Bat.
Very good. Wow, good job. Next, let's go to our second animal. Okay, what animal is this, Antu? Roar. What animal is this? Let's say this is A tiger.
Tiger.
Very good. Wow, one more time. What animal is this? What animal is this? This is a tiger.
Hổ. Con hổ thì đọc là chữ tiger.
Tiger. Tiger. So this is a tiger.
Bố hỏi con chữ trả
Let's say
lưng.
tiger. Tiger. Very good. Next, let's go to our next animal. What animal is this one? This one.
Tiếp theo đây.
What animal is this?
Đó là con gì?
This is
Bird.
a
Bird.
bird. Very
Mẹ.
good. One more time. Let's say a bird.
Con nhìn được được con à.
This is a bird.
Birds đây này.
Bird.
Yes, very good. So this is a bird. It has wings, so it can fly. So this is a bird. Next. Okay, what animal is this? This is a frog. Let's say frog. Frog.
What?
Very good.
What?
Very good. What animal is this, Antu?
What?
Wow, good job. Teacher will give you another star. Good job, Antu. Next. What animal is this one?
Monkey.
Wow, very good. This is a monkey. How about this one, Antu? What animal is this?
Monkey.
Yes, monkey. Wow, very good. Next animal. Let's look what animal is next.
Monkey.
Monkey, very good. How about this one? What animal is this? This is
And
this is ant. Let's say yes, ant. One more time.
ant.
Yes, very good. Now let's look at the picture and two. What animal is this?
Ant.
Wow, good job. This is an ant. Next. Oh, what animal is this? This is a snake. Let's say snake.
Snake.
Snake, very good. So this is a snake. Next animal. Oh, it's already done. So we have already our jungle animals. So now let us learn more about these jungle animals. Okay, let's look at our first animal. So what animal is this, Antu? It is these are bats.
Lab.
Very good. So these are our bat friends. Very good. One more time. Let's say bat friends. Bat
Friend.
friends. Good job. Now let's look at the picture. How many bats are there? Let's count. 1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
3.
6.
Wow, very good. How many bats are there? 1, 2,
2, 3, 4.
3. There are only, how many is this? 3. Yes, there are 3 bats. So let's say there are 3 bat friends. Let's say there are 3 bat friends. Yes. Next, Next animal, let's go to our...
E.
Yes, there are 3 bat friends. Next, let's go to our next animal. What animal are this? Let's say bird. Yes, very good. Bird. One more time. Let's say bird.
Bird.
Wow, friends. Friends.
Bird. Red.
Yes, very good. Now let's say bird friends.
Red.
Yes, good job. And to next. How many birds are there? There are 1, 2. How many?
3.
3. So there are how many birds? There are
3.
3 bird friends. Let's say there are 3 bird friends.
Red.
Yes, very good. And to next, let's go to our next animal. Or what animals are this? And to...
Monkey.
Yes, very good. These are monkey friends.
1, 2,
How many monkeys? There are
2. Monkey. 2.
2 monkeys. Good job. There are 2 monkeys. So let's say 2 monkey friends.
2 monkey for red.
Good job. Very good. And to next animal. What animals are this? Let's say frog friends. Frog.
Red.
Good job. One more time. Frog
Red.
friends.
Red. Red.
How many frogs are there? 1. How many?
1,
2.
2.
Yes, how many frogs are there? There are 2
2.
frog friends. Okay, drink your water first. Okay, let's say there are 2 frog friends.
There are 2 for red.
Yes, very good. Frog. Frog.
Frog.
Good job. Very good. Next, animals. What are these animals? These are tiger.
Tiger.
Very good. Tiger friends.
Tiger for red.
Very good. How many tigers are there? There are 1,
2.
2.
2.
There are 2 tiger friends. Let's say
For
there...
red.
Yes, 2 tiger
For red.
friends. Very good. Next animal. Oh, what animal is this one? What animal are this?
Ooh.
These are snake.
The next.
Good job. Snake friends.
For red.
Friends. How many snakes are there? How many? 1,
2.
2. How many snakes are there? 2. 2 snake
2.
snake
Next.
friends.
Red.
Very good. So there are 2 snake friends in the picture. Next one, next animals. Okay, let's look at the picture. What animals are these? So these are tiny animals. What animals are they? They are ant.
You are ant.
Good job. Let's say ant friends.
Ant.
Ant
Ant.
friends. Very good. Now let's count. How many ants are there in the picture? One. Let's count.
1,
Two,
2,
three,
3,
four,
4,
five,
5,
six,
6,
seven,
7,
eight,
8,
nine,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11, 12,
12, 13,
13,
14,
15,
15,
15,
16.
16.
Yes, very good. So
Yeah.
let's say 16. 16. How many ants are there? 16. Let's say 16. 6.
60.
16 and okay, drink your water first. Okay, let's say 16 and 16 and friends.
Run.
Yes, 16. Let's say 6.
Fan.
16 and
And.
yes,
And.
and
And.
and.
And. And.
Wow, very good. Good job. So these are our ant friends. Next. Okay, let's read. Let's say jungle friends. Jungle
Rain.
friends. One more time. Can you say jungle? Jung,
Go.
jungle. One more time. Jungle.
Jungle.
Very good. Jungle friends.
Jungle
Jungle.
friend.
Very good. So these are our jungle friends or animals that
Animal.
that
And live
lives in the jungle.
in the jungle.
Yes, very good. So now let's see if you understand or you can remember the animals that we have learned. So now let's look at our first animal. Oh, what is this place? This one. What do you call this place? It is
Young.
jungle.
Jungle.
Very good. So this is the
Jungle.
jungle. Very good. Wow.
On my day.
Next, what animal is this, Antu? What animal is this? This is ba. What is this? Bat.
Jungle. Man.
This one. Bat. Let's say bat.
Young. Bat.
Bat. Very good. This is a bat. How about this animal? What animal is this? Roar. This is
Go.
tiger. Very good. One more time. Let's say tiger.
Jungle.
Tiger. Very good. Next. What animal is our next? What animal is this?
Door.
This one. This is a
Oh.
bird. Yes,
Bird.
very good.
Bird.
Bird. One more time. Let's say bird. Bird. Can I hear bird? Bird.
Bird.
Very good. And to next. What animal is this? This
Yeah.
is very
Ew.
good. Wow, one more time. Let's say frog. Frog. Frog.
Wow. Wow.
Very good. One more time. Frog.
Wow.
Very good. Frog.
Rock.
Frog.
Rock.
Frog.
Rock.
Very good. Good job. Next. What animal is this? Your favorite animal? What animal is this? This is,
Monkey.
yes, very good. This is a monkey. Good job. Next, what animal is this, Antu? What animal is this? This
Magic.
ant.
And
Wow, very good. So
Magic.
this is the ant. Wow, good job. How about our last animal? What animal is this? This,
Term.
this is, let's say, snake.
Snake.
Snake. One more time.
Snake.
Snake. Wow, very good.
Snake.
Snake. Good job. So this is a snake. So good job. Next one. Okay, let's look at this animal. What animal is this? What animal is this? Yes, go. This is a bird.
Bird.
Very good. Wow. This is a bird. Now let's read. The bird
A bird.
is flying
A flying
in the
into
sky.
the sky.
Very good. Next, what animal are this, Antu? What animals are this? They are frogs. Let's say frogs.
Frog.
Very good. One more time. Frogs, frogs, frogs.
Frog. Frog. Frog.
Very good. Now let's read our sentence. The frogs, the frogs, let's say,
Frog.
are jumping.
Done. Ping.
Jumping. Very good. One more time. The frogs
Frog.
are jumping.
Jumping.
Very good. Next, let's go to our next animal. What animal is this? This is
Chunky.
tiger. Very good. One more time. Let's say tiger. Tiger.
Tiger.
Very good. Now let's read our sentence. The tiger
Tiger.
is running
Running.
in the
Tiger.
the tiger is running
Running
in the grass.
is a grass.
Very good. So the tiger is running in the grass. Good job. Next, what animals are this? What animals are this? These are monk, monk, monk. What animals?
Monkey.
Yes, very good. These are monkeys. So now let's read our sentence. The monkeys.
Mm.
Let's say the monkeys
Uh, two.
are climbing
Climbing. Monkey. E.
The monkeys are climbing in the
Monkey.
monkeys are, let's say, are climbing
Mommy.
in the
The
tree.
tree.
Yes, very good. So the monkeys are climbing in the tree. So good job. Next, what animal is this, Antu? This is a bird. Let's say bird.
Bird.
How about these tiny animals? What animals are these? These are ants.
It a N.
Very good. Now let's read our sentence. The bird
Bird
is eating
and eating
ants. Ants. Let's say ants.
and
Yeah, so the bird is eating ants. So it is eating the tiny animal ants. Very good. Now let's go to our next activity. So now in this activity, we will find the non-living and living things. So when we say non-living, so these are things that are not alive. So they cannot grow, eat, move by themselves, and breathe. For example, this toy, my toy. This is a non-living thing. And for living things, so these are the things that are alive, like teacher and Antu. We are living things. We can grow, we can eat, we can move, and we can breathe. So that is the meaning of living things. Now, teacher has a question here. So look at this picture. Is this a non-living or living things? Non-living or living? This fence. So this is non-living. So it cannot grow, eat, or move. But for the dog and the child, so these are living things. Okay. So we will stop here our lesson for today because we do not have much time. So teacher suggests that for this lesson material, you will study this lesson material after our class. Okay. And also study non-living and living things. Okay, Antu? Okay. Okay, Anto, so you did a great job for today's lesson. So this will be the end of our lesson for today. So thank you so much for your participation and goodbye. Bye-bye, Anto.
bye
Bye-bye.
bye.
Bye-bye. Practice, okay?
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.
Bye-bye.